In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find verified suppliers on 1688. If you're sourcing products from China, 1688 is a powerful platform, but knowing how to filter for trustworthy suppliers makes all the difference. Follow along and feel free to pause as you go. Start by opening the 1688 app or going to 1688.com. For the best results, search using Chinese keywords rather than English. This dramatically improves the accuracy of what you see. For example, you can try Nuzhuang for women's clothing, Ziezi for shoes, Shuji Peijian for phone accessories, or Gonghan Zhixiao for factory direct. If you don't know the Chinese term, translate your keyword and paste it into the search bar. Avoid English keywords because they often return fewer and less relevant results. After you search, apply the verification filters. Tap Shai Xuan, which means filter, and enable two key options. Shili Shangjia, often translated as verified or powerful seller, and Gonghan, which means factory. Then apply the filters. This instantly removes a lot of risky resellers and narrows your results to stronger, more established suppliers. Next, open a product that looks promising and tap the store name to enter the supplier store page. This is where you verify credibility. Look for badges. Shili Shangjia indicates the business has been physically verified by Alibaba and is typically a real factory or a large wholesaler. Gonghan confirms it's a manufacturer rather than a reseller. Renzheng Shangjia or Chengxin Tong shows that the business identity has been verified. If you don't see badges, consider the risk higher and proceed carefully. Check the store age labeled Dian Pu Nian Xian. Aim for at least 3 years. 5 years or more is an excellent sign of stability. Stores under 1 year can be legitimate but carry more risk, especially for larger orders. Review performance metrics like Chengjiao Liang, which is total sales, and Huito Lu, the repeat buyer rate. A repeat buyer rate of 20% or higher usually signals that customers come back because quality and service are consistent. Read the reviews carefully. Focus on buyer photos and videos to confirm the real product and packaging. Scan the 1 to 3 star reviews and look for repeated complaints about quality, delays, or communication. Scroll to the company details and check Qi Ye Xin Shi and Ying Ye Zhi Jiao, which is the business license. You should see registered company information visible here, confirming you're dealing with a legitimate business entity. Finally, run a quick chat test with the supplier. Ask Shufo